big problem with the cafe racers. Oh, they were the people who used to ride the motorbikes out on the North Circular.
So it's just old police cars used in the 1950s because they had a big problem with the cafe races, which is a group of youngs on motorcycles would gather at a local cafe, put a record on their jukebox and then race their bikes along a set course and return to the cafe before the music stopped. Needless to say, many of them did not return at all. So, I really must have introduced this to catch them or do whatever they're going to do for them. So yeah. It has a top speed of 123 miles an hour in 1950. That's pretty good if you don't know much about cars. Made in Great Britain. So, yeah.